Okay, thank you very much, sir. First of all, my name is Sofia Halisha Azahra from the Junior High School of 29 Jakarta. My future job would be to be a neurosurgeon and to be a psychiatrist. One of my hobbies would be vlogging and reading books. I also enjoy talking with my friends and going out every weekend. Thank you. Okay, thank you so much, sir. Let me answer your question. So, one of the reasons why I'm interested on going to school within TKB is because it's one of those schools with IB curriculums, International Baccalaureate. It's also a boarding school, which is very rare in Indonesia. And I believe by going in TKB, I can reach my future job easily and connect with more people. I also believe that TKB has the perfect uh, surroundings and environment to boost my studying and to help me focus with my studies. Thank you, sir. Yes, thank you so much, sir. Let me answer your question. So, I don't really know a lot about this school because from what it advertised is only the boarding school and then the curriculum, IB, and then only about that. Other than that, they really hide the information other than that. Thank you. Yes, thank you so much, sir. Let me answer your question. I'm actually a part of the student organization called OSIS, Organisasi Intrasekolah. Um, my position was as a secretary, and then I also a part of the English club. My position is also a secretary. So OSIS is an organization that pretty much do a lot of events within school, while English club is the organization that runs the English club extracurricular.
Oke, good. Nah, iya ya. Berarti kamu sekretaris ya?
Yeah.
Oh iya.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Let me answer your question. One of my weakness is I tend to get really shy when talking to people, and then I took too long to conjure a full sentence within seconds. A lot of people also said that I'm a very perfectionist person, and I tend to not rely on other people, which makes working with me a bit hard. And that's about it. Thank you, sir. Okay, thank you so much, sir. Let me answer your question. One of the most hardships or challenge that I came through so far is dealing with sudden stuff. So there's at one moment during the organization's recruitment, I am forced to speak in front of my friends in order to convince them to vote me for the secretary position, and that was on the spot, and it was really sudden. I have no preparation at all, and I find talking in front of many people without preparation such a hard and challenging thing. Thank you, sir.
Oke.